Fold the corners sharp and neat, a masterpiece with hands and feet. The sky's a canvas wide and bare, throw it high, forget your care. Will it glide or will it fall? Will it catch the wind at all? Paper airplanes, chasing dreams, fragile wings, or so it seems. Through the clouds we take our flight, paper hearts in endless night. Draw a window at a door, a tiny world we can explore. Whisper secrets to the breeze, hoping they'll reach distant seas. Will it soar or disappear?